Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of our tutorial. At this point you should have already downloaded the Bitmoji app onto your phone. It doesn't matter if it's Android or an iPhone. This next part we are going to go to bitmoji.com. We are going to scroll down and we are going to click the Bitmoji for Chrome desktop. Now, I have already downloaded this extension, so instead of saying install, and you can see that to the right, it says remove from Chrome. Yours will say install. At that point, you can go to the upper right-hand corner, and you should see a small Bitmoji icon. From this point, you can access all of your new Bitmojis. If you right-click one of the Bitmojis, you can copy your image. Okay, we're going to go back to our classroom. Now we want to post this on the stream, which is right here. But in order to post, you'll notice I can't just copy the image in here. I'm trying, but it's not working. We're going to have to add a picture in a different way. What you can do is you can create a Google Doc in your Drive, create and share. I'm going to name this. I'm going to name this my full name. I'm just going to paste my copied image here. From this point, you can go to the Google Stream, click Add, and find that Google document on my Drive. Let's try recent. There we go. Okay, the alternative way to do this is to email yourself your Bitmoji picture from your phone. If you have emailed your Bitmoji picture from your phone, you can click the box, go to your own email, okay, and then you'll see two buttons. You'll see download and save to drive. If you save to drive, you can go to Google Classroom, okay, you can add Google Drive, and then you can just upload the image. So it will just be the image, there will be no document around it.